Here today with the Potensic Atom 2 drone here, and I've just completed a video where I tested the AI Quickshots on the drone. We did a kind of a series of videos. One we did to track the AI tracking, and then we did the AI Quickshot modes. I believe there were like about a half a dozen Quickshot modes, a lot of the usual suspects, but this one also has a Dolly zoom, which is kind of nice. So we went out to the beach early morning. Summer season now, things are crowded during midday, so we got out early. Only a few dog walkers and the beach cleaners were there, so we didn't have much of a problem like that. So I'm going to show you. We're going to get a screen recording of what I actually did on the screen rather than the video from the actual the drone's camera, because I want to show you what I did in the app. It's probably the most important for people that are trying to learn. So I think most of this video will be in 1080p because that's probably what the screen recording is. And if you have any questions or concerns about anything I did in the video, please leave them down in the comments down below. I am Ron Brown from Ron Brown's YouTube channel. We cover a lot of drones, cameras, tech gear, and so on. So if you got anything on this video, I'm going to say it now because I'm not coming back at the end. When the end. So thumbs up if you got anything out of the video. Subscribe if you're not already a member. Ring the bell so you'll know when I post a new video. And I think that's all I have to say here. I'm going to link probably up here, maybe at the end of the video, where you can go watch that tracking video I did also. So please go over, check that out if you're interested in tracking whatsoever. So yeah, the Potensic 2, it's been a good little drone. It's done well in these review videos. I'm kind of going to wrap up the review process. I'll create like a little folder so you can kind of go watch all my Potensic 2 videos I've done. Because I'm about to wrap up the review process of this. So, but if you want to go back, watch from the unboxing all the way up until this point, I'd love to see you do that. So, okay, with no further ado, let's roll that video clip. Okay, we're here with the Potensic Atom 2, and we're going to try the AI Quickshot modes here. I think that's what they call them here. We just got done tested tracking, so we're going to move on to the AI Quickshot. So if you haven't seen the tracking video, I'll link it above or at the end of the video. It'll be here, so that's a good one to see. So okay, so we get out of tracking now here. I'm gonna draw the box on ourselves. I'm gonna spotlight AI track now, but we're gonna shift it over to AI Quickshots. And the first one there is the pull away, which most people know is the droney. So and we already got the box drawn. I think that dot in the middle of the screen is right on me now. I think that dot is just the center point of the screen here. So let's see what you have to do as far as parameters. You see on the right side of the screen there, it has that it's going to go 30 meters, which we could change that to 40. But we're just going to keep it on 30 for right now. In fact, I don't know how to change it to 40, but so it's a very good reason to keep it on 30. So it's going to count down and then take off. I hit that go button, and that started the process and started recording the video also. So here we go. Again, everybody's seen these drones. Just kind of slowly pulls up and away from me to reveal the background. You can see the ocean behind me, the waves crashing on the beach there. So it's a good shot, a great shot. Everybody needs this in their arsenal. So now it's returning. It went as 30 meters, and now it's going to come back basically right to the spot where it took off. So it's not filming now, I don't believe. I think it stopped recording once it got to its things. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. So it defaults to the AI track. So it keeps putting over to AI Quickshots. So we did the pull away already. So there's the rocket. The rocket's on many of these drones. The rocket goes straight up.
1.
And camera points straight down at you. So there you see I'm waving as it's pulling, up. Up and away from me, straight up and away. And that's a nice shot too, very traditional shot, one of the early drone shots you see in almost all the videos here. So, these are good ones to have. These are great shots to see. It's right above me now. I'm not, that's not the most seeing shot of all time, but if I was standing on the edge of the cliff, or, if I was on the end of the fishing pier, or maybe even just down by the water, it may look more dramatic than it does here in the middle of the the deep sand here. So and again, it's already done its thing. It's returning to me. So doing a great job, just like it should. And here it's getting the gimbal, tilted back up again. Okay, so we're gonna start the process over again. It always starts out in AI track for some reason. So here's circle. Circle's another popular one. A lot of people call it orbit also. So you see on the right hand side, it's going to do an orbit one time, and I could shift that to 2, but the default is 1. And you see the direction it's going to go in, so you could change that direction. I'm kind of backing up here to kind of get more in the middle of the beach. I don't know how wide this circle is going to be, so I just changed to go the other direction at the last minute. So there we go. It's counting down, and I'm still moving there, and here it goes. So it's circle, and I guess you would say this is counterclockwise, so I'm going giving the old drone wave there. So again, looks like it's doing a great job. Again, the orbit, they call it circle here. Orbit, this is one of the standard drone shots. Everybody has this and does it. You can manual orbit these things or whatever, but if you're a beginner or you just like the automatic one because it's perfect, rather than if you did it human-wise, you'd have to, keep attention on the sticks. Okay, so there you go. That was a quick circle there. So we're going to go to the next one here. Same old routine here. We did rocket, we did circle. Next one up there looks like it's spiral that we haven't done yet. Yep, there is a spiral.
3,
so this one kind of
2.
does orbit, but also kind of goes up at the same time. There's my AFib history. Of course, doing this on the phone, they potentially didn't have a dedicated controller with the screens. Okay, so we're doing the orbit, but we're also kind of rising up as it's doing the orbit at the same time. So this kind of gives a more interesting look than just the plain Jane orbit here. And again, with all these things, be wary that there's nothing around you. This drone has, none of the obstacle avoidance that some of the more expensive DJI drones have. So, if it was a tree, a tall building, something like that, it would just, spiral right into it or whatever, unless you stopped it. So be wary of that. Okay, so it even gives you completion size, like 95% complete, 97, 99, there it's done. So it even gives you a counter to let you know. So now it's done. And it's going to start returning here in a second. Well, I thought it was. So for some reason, it's not doing its return like it did on the other shots. That's interesting here. I didn't touch the controller in any way that I would have interrupted that return to home process. But it's something's up here. We still okay. I'm moving out of the way here for the beach cleaner. He didn't come exactly where I was standing, but close to it. So give him a wide berth there. He's he's smoothing out that sand there for the day. Mark 8 makes like to have the sand prepared for the beach goers. They usually come down more like around about 11 a.m. They start 11 a.m. 11:30, 12. They start coming down. So. Okay, we're back. We're going to look for, we did spiral. Boomerang. Boomerang's next. So there we go. Boomerang. We're going one time. It's going to go clockwise. Oh, we just shifted. Nope. It's going back and forth clockwise.
3.
So count down.
2, 1. Go.
Here we go. And boomerang, you'll see, it's hard to describe boomerang. It kind of slings around. Hard to describe. Just watch what it does. Of course, it's counting down over there, 4% now, 5%. So Boomerang's the other one. It's kind of be hard to do this yourself. The early ones like Drone E and Rocket, but you could easily do them yourself. But now we're getting to some of the harder ones here that you'd really have to, practice at this stuff to be able to do this manually. See how it's, it's good. It's kind of going all over the place in kind of a semi-orbit. Not only is it going orbiting, semi-orbit, it's also going up and down, and it's really incorporating a lot of moves. So cool shot. This is a lot more interesting shot than just that plain orbit, right? I think you would agree with me. So here we go. Alrighty, that was a nice orbit, 100% done. All right. So I'm kind of going to move around here to maybe to try the other one. Okay, the last one up is the Dolly zoom here. So let me see if I can I don't know how I could do a good dolly zoom on the beach here, but let's give it a try here. So yeah, dolly zoom. It's
3,
it's a cool
2,
feature. It's one of the real cool
1.
ones. So let's see if we can get
Go.
it kind of working with the dune behind me. So what's going to happen is the camera's going to zoom one way, the drone's going to fly the other. It's going to make it look like the background's moving here. See, not exactly the best dolly zoom I've ever seen, but it's my fault. I don't have like something to stand behind to do a good one. So this is kind of user error here that I didn't get a better dolly zoom. If I had been against a wall
Low
or
drone
something like
battery
that in this
level.
background. So okay, we got a little low battery warning, so it's trying to return home here. So we're going to end this video here. So thanks for watching, folks. For this
Return.
AI tracking video, and then I have, this wasn't tracking the AI Quickshot, the AI tracking video I've done earlier, so I will put a link to it here if you want to go see the tracking video. So this is Ron Brown's YouTube channel. We do a lot of drone tech camera gear here. So please give the video a thumbs up if you got anything out of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. And please ring that bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. And we will see you at that next video I'm going to link up.